This example is a training request approval process. It automatically approves small training requests to save managers time and allow employees to get their training resources as quickly as possible. Larger training requests are sent to the employee's manager for approval. The process begins when a new task is created with the training request task type. If the cost is less than $100, it is automatically approved, and the employee is allowed to purchase the training materials. If the cost is greater than $100, the task is assigned to the employee's manager and marked as awaiting approval. If the manager approves the request, it is reassigned back to the original employee and marked as approved. The same process is followed if the manager rejects the request, but the request is marked as rejected. Now let's go through some examples. Bob Smith is an employee, and he is requesting a training conference, but it's in Hawaii, so it's pretty expensive. When he saves the request, it's reassigned to Jane Doe, his manager, for approval. Since it definitely exceeds their training budget, she rejects it. We can see that once Jane rejects the request, it goes back to Bob's queue, and it is marked as rejected so he knows he can't go. So now Bob realizes that he needs to be more realistic, and he puts in a new request for a $95 webinar. When he saves it, it is automatically approved because it was under the limit. To summarize this process, when a new training request comes in, if it costs less than $100, it is automatically approved. If it costs more than $100, it is reassigned to the manager for approval and waits for them to decide. If they approve it, it is reassigned back to the employee and marked as approved. If they reject it, it is reassigned back to the employee and marked as rejected. This was a simple example, but you can also use the JobTraQ workflow system to manage tasks and projects through complex enterprise processes that cross multiple departments or functions. Our customers have used JobTraQ to manage processes as diverse as digital media production, physical construction, regulatory compliance, biotech research, and software development.